Yeah, this is something of a massive box, so it's not going to be on screen, but give me a sec. Alright, and well, it's been a bit of a while, but welcome back to another Gunpla Haul. A pretty big one. Big end of the year thing, or well, beginning of the new year thing, I guess. Alright. Time to cut the box open. Alright, and first up we have the Gundam Revival, which is the remake of the first Gundam model kit. Not a lot going on here. Completely flat feet. As usual, they didn't color separate the rear camera, but that's fine. Next up, I got 3 more of the gunmetal system bases. I actually reviewed this forever ago. I got one of these for something special, the other 2 are just to have some more hangers on my shelf, frankly. It's really not a lot going on with these. They're nice. I do like them. But, you know, they're all one color. Again, if you want to see what they look like, go watch the review. Next up, we have a replacement for something that was out of stock. The tertium arms. I do feel like they could have easily made the white, you know, separate parts instead of stickers, but hey, it's a build kit. Can't really expect much. I mean, the parts are good, so I really don't mind that much, honestly. I do actually have a plan for this, but I don't have the kit that I want to use it with at the moment. So that's just going to be sitting in my backlog for the time being. Next up, Death Star. It was cheap, and I just wanted to get it. Surprisingly, still red logo. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy doing a bit of weathering on this. And 1/100 MS figure set. Or, well, 2 sets of them. These are technically Federation crew, because I mean it has Amuro and Sayla, but I'm not using those anyway. I say technically Federation crew because my first master grade. Goof 2.0. I'm going to be putting in this in one of those hangars with maintenance crew working on it. This thing basically uses the same frame as the Zaku, if I remember correctly. Alright, last kit for me. The Knight Superior Gundam, which I've been putting off getting for a while because this thing is pretty much entirely gold-plated. which means it is ridiculously expensive. But I finally bit the bullet on it, and man, this thing's pretty. And finally, yeah, I actually can't fit the box in frame. My friend's kit, the mega-sized Zaku 2. To put this into perspective, here's an entire Gundam next to the chest. This thing's enormous. Thankfully, as usual, I do have permission to review this once it gets built, so that's gonna be fun. So anyway, that's a nice start to 2026. Not really anything else to say at this point, so let me know what you're looking forward to most down in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss the reviews. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. And, as always, until next time, happy building.